guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is very special and very exciting. First of all, a very happy Diwali to all of you. Actually, happy Diwali in advance. Diwali is I think after a week, but I'm bringing this video because I think you will find this video very useful for Diwali. If in case you're confused about a gift for someone special or for yourself, this video is going to be perfect for you because I'm going to tell you about a new watch by Daniel Wellington, a new piece of jewelry and a lot of offers, discounts and a coupon code. So I hope you find this video really useful. Now let's quickly get started. So today I have a new watch by Daniel Wellington. Now this watch that I'm wearing right now is by Daniel Wellington. I did review it in my previous video. I'm going to leave an iCard over here. You can go ahead and watch it. I absolutely love this watch so much. It's a petite watch. It's unitone color and it is my absolute favorite. But today I have a really special watch for you guys and the packaging is even more so special. So today I have, ladies and gentlemen, this beautiful packaging. This is a different packaging. This is a Diwali special packaging by Daniel Wellington. It's a beautiful corally pink red, brick red, beautiful color actually, with the Daniel Wellington golden, lettering here on the top. It's a very beautiful sleek packaging, but the inside is even more beautiful. Here we go with the Diwali packaging. It is so gorgeous. I can't even tell you. I couldn't take my eyes off this beautiful packaging when I received it. I am not even kidding. It is so beautiful and Daniel Wellington has really stepped up their game with the watches and the packaging as well. So I really like this. This is a beautiful watch and this watch is from their mother of pearl range and this watch is called as Petite Lumine pressed piano watch. The dial that I have is in 28mm. It's a beautiful sleek watch. This one is available in a gold, rose gold and a silver color. So the one that I have with me right now is in the rose gold variant and it is an absolutely stunning watch. But before I proceed with all the specifications of the watch, let me just quickly tell you about the offers that is running on Daniel Wellington's website. So during this Diwali, you can enjoy up to 30% off on Daniel Wellington products. Not only that, Daniel Wellington is offering 10% off on single watch and 20% off on purchase of 2 or more watches and 30% off on purchase of 3 or more watches. And the cherry on the cake, you can have additional 15% off by using my coupon code, which is on the screen, which I think is SANAK15. You can use this coupon code to avail additional 15% off. So with all that being said, let's just quickly dive right back to this watch, my favorite beautiful watch. If you're planning to gift it to somebody, I think this will be a perfect idea. I don't think that's even a question. I think Daniel Wellington watches, their accessories, be it their necklaces or the earrings or their rings or their bracelets, are beautiful gifts for people because they're so durable. You can wear it on an everyday to day basis. Not only that, the pieces are timeless. They will last forever and they are just a remembrance of togetherness and love and timelessness, I believe. So this watch is an example of that. I'm going to quickly show you what it actually looks like. It is such a beautiful watch. I can't even tell you. So I'm going to remove the plastic in front of you guys as the ritual on my channel is. So each dial is actually crafted from mother of pearl. So it has a unique pattern and it looks just so beautiful when you move your hands. You can see a lot of beautiful, subtle colors in the watch, in the dial actually. And this watch also has glistening crystals that mark the indices and give the watch face a soft inner glow. The entire timepiece is supported by their new pressed studio strap in shimmering metal with a cloud-like elevated pattern that mirrors the mother of pearl. It is so stunning. I think a lot of designing and a lot of thought and a lot of craftsmanship has gone into this watch. It is so gorgeous. It is a feminine, a very beautiful, unique, a timeless piece. So you can choose your favorite watch from the available 3 colors, the rose gold and the silver. I have the rose gold one. It is such a beautiful piece. First of all, I really like the size of dial. I have a lot of 32mm, so this time I went for 28mm. This is a watch that will go really well with all my Indian attire, of course, but I think it's going to be really beautiful with your office wear and your casual outfits, and if you're wearing a Sunday brunch dress or anything and everything, you can simply wear this watch with. So the versatility part of Daniel Wellington pieces, be it their jewelry or their watches, I think is outstanding. So you just buy one and you can just team it up with anything, and they just go well with everything that you wear, and they make you actually look really dressed up and as if you've put in a lot of effort. So accessory wise and jewelry wise, I think I'm sorted this Diwali. And this is what the beautiful watch looks like. Of course, I will be removing the logo and stuff, but it's a beautiful, stunning watch, and I love this so much. Moving on to the other thing that I have to show you is this beautiful bracelet. So it also comes in a beautiful gift wrapping, and you remove this, you have the classic matte black Daniel Wellington box, and inside of it we have a really nice bracelet. This is the beautiful bracelet that I have. This bracelet is stunning. This is a very delicate piece but very durable. You have to take my word with the durability of Daniel Wellington products. I've been wearing them non-stop every single day, but I've never had any problem with the durability. So you can wear it every single day, literally. This bracelet is called as Classic Unity Lumine Bracelet, and it comes in one size. Of course, you have the clasp, so you can adjust it wherever it fits on your wrist. And this is available in gold, rose gold, and a silver color. I've gone in for a rose gold variant because it matches my watch. This is a delicate piece with a very powerful message. It has two intertwined rings that evoke an enduring bond, while high quality crystals emphasize how precious it is. The embedding of the crystals is so nicely done. The designing is so neat, and there's a DW embossed on both of the rings here, so that is also a very good part. You can wear this beautiful bracelet as a beautiful reminder. You can buy it for yourself, you can gift it to somebody. Either way, it is just a very, very special piece. You can just pair it with your watch. I think the look is actually complete. Even though I like their the other bracelets that I have by Daniel Wellington, but I think this one has my heart because this is very delicate and it is a very, very unique sort of a bracelet. It sends a very beautiful and a powerful message of unity and togetherness, and I think that is why it is called as a unity bracelet. However, the technical term is Classic Unity Lumine Bracelet. So this Diwali, if you've not yet decided as to what you want to present to your loved ones, your near and dear ones, so this is the time you can actually go ahead and do some shopping on Daniel Wellington, because a lot of offers, as I mentioned, is going on. 10% off, 20% off, 30% off, and additional 15% off using my coupon code, which is amazing. 10% off when you buy single watch, 20 if you buy 2 or more watches, 30 if you buy 3 or more watches, an additional 15% off using my coupon code. So I think this is the perfect time to buy that perfect gift for that perfect somebody to have a perfect Diwali. So let me know what you think about it. Let me know your favorite piece from Daniel Wellington. Mine is definitely this beautiful petite Lumine pressed piano watch by Daniel Wellington. It's beautiful. So you'd be watching me wearing this particular bracelet with this watch a lot many times on this channel. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you found this video useful. I really hope that you go ahead and purchase your favorite thing from Daniel Wellington. They have a lot of variety of stuff. They even have sunglasses. So I would definitely recommend you guys checking out Daniel Wellington this Diwali season. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll leave the link of all the products and other offer and coupon code and the sale deals in the description box below. Go ahead and check that out. Also, the link of the products will also be given in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye, guys.